Hello YouTube, today I'm going to unbox and upgrade Dell OptiPlex 7090 Tower Model desktop. Normally this desktop coming with i7 10th generation processor and 8GB RAM, 1TB SATA hard disk. As per my user requirement, I have upgraded this PC with 6GB graphic card and 32GB RAM. For the operating system, I used 500GB M2 SSD drive. After this upgradation, this PC can be used for AutoCAD draftsmen, graphic designers, and good for the gamers as well. In front side of this PC, you can see DVD-ROM, power button, SD slot, universal audio jack, 2 USB 2.0 ports, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port. And also the back side of this PC have audio line in and out, 2 DisplayPorts 1.4, serial port, 1 USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type A port and 3 USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports with smart power on, expansion card slot, and also PS2 mouse, PS2 keyboard ports also available, and also RJ45 network adapter also available. It's really good durability desktop for all kind of office work and professional computer users. Let's unbox it and we'll see the performance. Hope this video gives you basic idea about this PC. For more details, please comment below. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you very much.